What if I told you that choosing the wrong SUV could quietly drain your bank account faster than a bad stock pick, turning what should be a fun, adventurous ride into a constant money pit? While the right SUV could actually pay for itself over time and save you tens of thousands of dollars. Sounds bold, right? But here's the reality. The average SUV costs close to $10,000 a year once you factor in repairs, insurance, fuel, and depreciation, and most people have no idea how quickly those costs add up until it's too late. Yet, hidden among the crowded market of flashy crossovers and oversized utility vehicles are a handful of smart, reliable SUVs that can quietly cruise past 300,000. Even 500,000 miles with nothing more than routine oil changes, basic maintenance, and a little common sense, offering peace of mind, financial security, and a driving experience that actually feels rewarding. Imagine being behind the wheel of a vehicle that has decades of engineering proven to withstand wear and tear, that insurance companies love because of its safety ratings, that won't make you spend a fortune every time a minor repair pops up. And that still holds its value when it's time to sell. That's not just a car, it's a long-term investment you can enjoy every single day. Today, I'm taking you on a journey through 9 SUVs that do exactly that, showing you which ones protect your wallet while still delivering reliability, comfort, and style, and at the end, I'll reveal 2 highly popular SUVs you'll want to avoid at all costs, because while everyone else is chasing brand names, flashy features, or hype, you'll know which vehicles are the real smart buys that combine durability, low running costs, and long-term value. The kind of SUVs car lovers dream about owning. Coming in at number 9, the Mazda CX-5, also known as the stylish saver, proves that reliability doesn't have to come at the expense of style or driving excitement. While most compact SUVs on the road today feel like nothing more than glorified appliances, bland, uninspiring, and purely functional, the CX-5 stands out with its sleek, aerodynamic design and surprisingly sharp handling that makes every turn feel engaging, almost like driving a sporty car rather than a family hauler. Under the hood, Mazda made a smart choice by avoiding the problematic CVT transmissions that plague many rivals, instead equipping the CX-5 with a proven 6-speed automatic that balances smooth performance with long-term durability, saving owners from costly repairs down the line. According to RepairPal, the CX-5 earns a stellar 4.5 out of 5 reliability score, and real-world owners back this up, reporting smooth sailing well past 200,000 miles with just routine maintenance like oil changes, brakes, and tires. Inside, the cabin may feel slightly snug compared to larger competitors like the Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V, but that compactness actually contributes to a more premium, driver-focused feel. And the interior materials and design make it feel far more upscale than the price suggests. Even better, resale values remain strong, meaning that when it's time to trade in or sell, you're not taking a huge financial hit. For buyers who want an SUV that's fun to drive, visually appealing, and dependable enough to last for decades, the CX-5 hits a rare sweet spot. And yet, if your priority leans more toward rock-solid durability over style, the next SUV on our list takes reliability to a legendary level, one that almost guarantees peace of mind for every mile on the road. At number 8, we have the Lexus LX, often called the million-mile tank, and for good reason. Beneath its polished luxury exterior, leather seats, and premium trim, the LX is essentially a Toyota Land Cruiser in disguise, a machine built for endurance, not flash. These SUVs aren't just tough. They're legendary, routinely hitting 400,000 to 500,000 miles, with some rare owners reporting over 1 million miles on the odometer, a feat most vehicles could only dream of. Everything about the LX screams durability. Its frame, suspension, and drivetrain are engineered to handle the harshest conditions imaginable, yet it wraps that raw reliability in a cabin that rivals many luxury sedans. Fuel economy? Sure, it's not impressive. Expect a thirsty 15 to 17 miles per gallon, but when you consider the cost of repeated repairs on lesser SUVs, that inefficiency almost feels irrelevant. And here's the kicker: depreciation is practically non-existent. Buy one, and it could easily outlast your next several vehicles, holding resale value like no other SUV in its class. If your goal is to combine uncompromising reliability with luxury comfort, the Lexus LX is as close to bulletproof as it gets. And while this might be a dream purchase for some, the next SUV proves you don't always need to spend luxury money to get legendary dependability. It's smart, budget-friendly, and still incredibly reliable if you know what to look for. At number 7, we have the Hyundai Santa Fe, affectionately known among enthusiasts as the warranty warrior, and it's a perfect example of how a brand can completely reinvent itself. Just a decade ago, Hyundai struggled with perceptions of reliability, but the Santa Fe has flipped that script entirely, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune to get peace of mind and long-term durability. One of its biggest selling points is the 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, essentially baking extended protection into every purchase. So even if something significant goes wrong, you're not footing a huge repair bill. And the numbers back it up. Real-world owners are regularly pushing their Santa Fe's past 200,000 miles with little more than routine oil changes, brakes, and tires, showing that this SUV isn't just hype, it's built to last. Insurance costs are another hidden advantage, often lower than competitors like Jeep or Volkswagen, thanks to strong safety ratings and fewer reported claims. It may not turn heads like a luxury badge or flashy crossover, but if your priority is smart, worry-free ownership, the Santa Fe quietly delivers in spades, offering reliability, affordability, and peace of mind all in one package. And while this SUV is a dependable stalwart, the next one on our list proves that you can also find under-the-radar luxury comfort at prices that still make sense for economy-minded buyers. Coming in at number 6, the Acura RDX is the perfect choice for buyers who crave luxury without the sky-high bill. While most people are chasing flashy badges like BMW or Audi, the RDX quietly delivers a premium experience without the headaches or exorbitant repair costs. Between 2013 and 2018, the RDX shared its powertrain with the Honda Pilot, meaning you get a bulletproof 3.5 LV6 paired with Honda's proven 6-speed automatic. Reliability that rarely fails to impress even the most skeptical mechanics. Inside, you'll find leather seats, refined tech, and excellent sound insulation, giving you all the comfort of a luxury SUV without sacrificing the peace of mind that comes with Honda's engineering. Surprisingly, used RDX models are often priced lower than a Toyota RAV4, making it a luxury SUV bargain that most buyers overlook. And here's a hidden bonus. Depending on your insurance provider, premiums for an RDX can sometimes be lower than a standard Ford Escape, meaning you enjoy luxury comfort at true economy SUV costs. For anyone who wants style, refinement, and rock-solid reliability in one package, the Acura RDX hits a sweet spot few other vehicles can match. And while it's a rare find, if your priority leans more toward Japan's most dependable workhorses built to last decades, the next SUVs on our list take that reliability to the next level. At number 5, the Subaru Forester is a compact SUV that has earned a reputation for near-perfect reliability, and for good reason. Consumer Reports awarded it a staggering 98 out of 100 reliability score, which is about as close to flawless as you'll see in the automotive world. While earlier models struggled with CVT transmissions, Subaru addressed the issue. Simple maintenance, like changing the CVT fluid every 30,000 miles, keeps these vehicles running smoothly for decades. Owners are fiercely loyal, and it's easy to see why. The Forester combines standard all-wheel drive, excellent crash test scores, and practical versatility, making it one of the safest family SUVs on the market. That loyal fan base also means resale values remain impressively high, so you're not just buying reliability, you're buying a vehicle that protects your wallet long-term. Whether it's commuting, road trips, or weekend adventures, the Forester isn't just a dependable SUV, it's a financial safety net on wheels, letting you drive confidently knowing you've made a smart investment in both safety and longevity. And as we move up the list, the next few SUVs continue this trend, offering legendary durability that practically guarantees decades of worry-free driving. At number 4, The Honda CR-V, often dubbed the 500,000-mile king, proves that practicality doesn't have to be boring or bland. Some second-generation models from the early 2000s are now closing in on 500,000 miles, surviving decades of daily commuting, family road trips, and errands with virtually no major repairs, a feat few SUVs can match. Its stellar safety ratings help keep insurance rates low, while the loyal following of owners and Honda's reputation for dependability mean resale values remain sky-high, giving you one of the smartest long-term investments in the SUV market. Inside and out, the CR-V balances comfort, efficiency, and usability, making it a buy once, keep forever kind of vehicle practicality that rewards you year after year. And while the CR-V is undeniably a legend in its own right, don't overlook its smaller sibling, the Honda HR-V, which punches above its weight, delivering incredible reliability, efficiency, and safety in a compact package that surprises even longtime Honda enthusiasts. At number 3, the Honda HR-V, affectionately known as the compact workhorse, proves that great things really do come in small packages. Don't let its modest size fool you. This little SUV is engineered for longevity, with owners regularly logging 150,000 to 200,000 miles without major repairs, making it a true stress-free daily driver. Its fuel economy is impressive, reaching up to 34 miles per gallon on the highway, which means fewer stops at the pump and more savings in your pocket over the years. Insurance costs stay budget-friendly as well, thanks to low repair bills and Honda's consistently high safety ratings, making it one of the most economical choices for practical buyers. While it may not deliver the raw power of larger SUVs, the HR-V excels in reliability, efficiency, and peace of mind. Every mile behind the wheel reinforces the value of a vehicle that quietly protects your wallet while keeping your daily driving experience smooth and worry-free. And as we move to the next SUV, you'll see how another compact yet incredibly dependable Japanese model raises the bar even higher for long-term ownership. At number 2, the Toyota RAV4, famously known as America's best-selling SUV, proves why its popularity isn't just hype. It's built on decades of reliability, practicality, and long-term value. These SUVs are engineered to easily surpass 300,000 miles, making them a dream for anyone who wants a buy-once, drive-forever vehicle. Beyond just longevity, the RAV4 holds its resale value exceptionally well, often selling for nearly as much as a brand-new rival when it comes time to upgrade, which essentially turns your SUV into equity on wheels. The engines may not make your pulse race. They favor efficiency and smooth performance over thrills. But that's exactly where the RAV4 shines. Your savings account benefits as you avoid costly repairs, low resale, and high insurance premiums that plague many other SUVs. Owning a RAV4 is a little like buying a savings bond. It rewards patience, careful maintenance, and smart ownership, giving you dependable returns mile after mile, year after year. And while the RAV4 is an incredible SUV in its own right, the next pick proves that even a smaller, lighter, and more efficient sibling can deliver remarkable reliability, economy, and peace of mind that rivals its bigger cousin. Topping our list at number 1 is the Subaru Outback, affectionately nicknamed the Adventure Accountant, because it combines rugged capability with practical value like few SUVs can. Back in the 1990s, Subaru took the Dole family wagon, added rugged cladding and standard all-wheel drive, and transformed it into a vehicle that could tackle snow, dirt trails, and highway commutes alike, without breaking a sweat. Today, the Outback continues that legacy, routinely crossing 200,000 to 300,000 miles with nothing more than basic maintenance like oil changes, brakes, and filters, proving that longevity and reliability don't have to be sacrificed for versatility. Safety-conscious buyers get another bonus. With IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus ratings, many insurers reward owners with lower premiums, adding to the overall value. Unlike many competitors that charge extra for all-wheel drive, Subaru includes it as standard, ensuring better stability, fewer surprises, and fewer costly repairs over time. And for those shopping smart, the 2020 model year hits the sweet spot, offering modern technology, safety features, and rock-solid reliability at a price that won't drain your savings. For families, adventurers, or anyone who wants a dependable SUV that delivers both peace of mind and long-term financial sense, the Outback is a near-perfect choice. Not every SUV is built to save you money or stress. Some can quietly drain your wallet faster than you realize. Take the Jeep Wrangler, for instance. While it's iconic for off-road adventures and rugged style, recent models have been plagued by electrical issues, oil leaks, and suspension failures that can turn weekend trips into repair shop visits. And then there's the infamous death wobble, a terrifying vibration that shakes the entire vehicle after hitting a bump, leaving even experienced drivers on edge. Poor crash test ratings compound the problem, often translating into higher insurance premiums that make ownership even more costly. Then there's the Ford Explorer from the 2010s, which looked great on paper but hit a host of reliability nightmares. Owners reported transmission failures before hitting 100,000 miles, water pump breakdowns, electrical glitches, and a long list of costly recalls. These issues not only threaten safety, but also jack up repair and insurance costs, turning what seemed like a practical family SUV into a financial headache. Both the Wrangler and Explorer may have the looks and brand recognition, but in reality, they're the kinds of vehicles that eat your savings alive if you're not careful. At the end of the day, the smartest SUV isn't about flashy badges, massive horsepower, or the latest gimmicks. It's about reliability, longevity, and financial sense. The right SUV is the one that stays out of the repair shop, sparing you endless headaches and surprise bills. It's the one that keeps insurance costs low, thanks to top safety ratings and proven dependability. And it's the one that holds its resale value for years, even decades, effectively turning your purchase into a long-term investment rather than a money pit. When you choose wisely, every mile you drive adds value instead of stress, letting you enjoy road trips, daily commutes, and family adventures without worry. So here's the question for you. If you had to pick one SUV to own for the next 10 or even 20 years, which would it be? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious which model earns your trust. And before you go, make sure to subscribe, because this channel is all about sharing insider tips, smart buying strategies, and ways to protect your wallet, so you can enjoy your ride with confidence and never get blindsided by surprise repair bills.